A septic system for a tiny house can significantly influence resale value and buyer interest, so owners should treat system condition and documentation as core selling points. A well-maintained septic system begins with thorough records, so keep detailed inspection and pump-out receipts and a clear maintenance log to show prospective buyers exactly how the system was cared for. Verify permits and code compliance with local authorities, and obtain copies of any approvals so you can present an official trail that confirms the system is legal for the property and the tiny house use. Consider upgrading to a more durable advanced treatment unit if the current system is dated, since buyers often value systems that reduce odors, require less frequent servicing, and handle high seasonal flows better. For homes on marginal soils or close to wetlands, invest in an engineered solution like an elevated drainfield or supplemental treatment to mitigate perceived risk and make financing easier for buyers. Schedule a pre-sale inspection performed by a licensed professional to identify issues early and allow you to remediate small problems before they become deal breakers. When describing the system in listings and disclosures, be precise about capacity, last pump-out date, any recent repairs, and any operational constraints such as gray water routing to conserve buyer confidence. Common mistakes include invisible paperwork gaps that spook buyers, so compile and digitize all permits, inspections, and pump-out receipts to share on request. Another frequent issue is assuming a small or dated tank is fine, which can be solved by arranging a capacity and condition assessment and replacing or upgrading when results indicate limited remaining life. A third problem is poor communication about system limitations, for example stating ambiguous occupancy or guest restrictions. So clearly explain operating rules, maintenance needs, and any seasonal limitations in writing to prevent surprises. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where people share real experiences about installations and resale outcomes. We help contractors find work by listing projects and fostering community referrals, and we provide a space for homeowners to ask questions and learn from other owners and professionals.